Morning. Right, today's Neil and myself. What we decided to do today was to start at Ocean Beach, walk our way all the way along to the pier on the dry sand, go out the pier about halfway, and then work our way all the way back to Ocean Beach without actually coming back into shore. We're going to stay out on the wet all the way back to Ocean Beach. Now, we've never done this before, so we thought we'd do it, and just to see which machine performs the best. Neil will be using his Equinox 600, and I'll be using the Vanquish 540. So anyway, just crack on. We'll see you on the first good hole. Alright, first coin, the traditional 20p piece. Yeah, we're on Ocean Beach this morning, and it's just Neil and I. Les wasn't sure if he could come, but he didn't think he could. But anyway, 20p piece. Alright, literally right next to that 20p piece, it's a 50p piece. There might be a small pocket spill here. Yeah, I'm using my Vanquish this morning for a change, because I've been leading on with the Equinox now for quite a while. It's my first machine, it's my go-to machine. I thought I'd come out with a Vanquish today. Something a bit different. Right, well that's it. 70p I've got basically at that hole.
Morning on this chilly morning. Hope you can hear me. First coin, 10p. It's taken about half an hour to get that one. Rough.
Next coin, another 20p piece. So I'm just backfilling this hole. Took me a bit of a while to find that one. Yeah, the Vanquish is a very good machine. I've just got to learn to go a bit slower because I'm using a smaller coil. But yeah, not bad. So far I've been here about 15 minutes. That's my second 20p piece.
Ooh, first nugget of the day. That came in quite high. 23, 25. Interesting. God, this wind. Perishing. I just had a nugget out of that hole there, and that hole there. Just had a 25, 23, 25 again. I'll get the camera up. Oh. What do I detect? Another nugget. It's a coin spill. Well, £2 anyway.
At last. Literally just crossed onto volleyball beach. It's Ocean Beach here. This is volleyball beach. 21, 22, 23 signal. Nugget number 1. Okay, it's time for a live dig. Got my first proper 23 signal of the day. So we'll try for a live one. Oh. Right, it's out. Alright, hoping this is nugget number 2, because then I'll draw level with Neil as he was when I last spoke with him. Oh, I think I might have gone one better. Neil, double nugget.
Oh, I just had an old brown pound.
Eh?
I just had an old brown pound.
You get a lot of them on this beach. Yeah. Oh, happy days. In the lead.
Trust their own.
The Vanquish is winning. Double nugget.
Oh yeah, I can see what it is. Your old favourite. Drop this one back down the hole. Oh, lead fishing weight.
Right, we've reached the pier, Neil and I, and we're going to go about halfway up, and then we're going to work our way all the way back to Ocean Beach out here on the wet. But I made my first coin upside the pier, and it is a 20p piece. Surprise, surprise.
Oh, I can see it. Oh, looks like worn. Oh, not too bad. Oh, that's your old favourite. 2p. Never mind.
Right, next coin, 10p. Oh, I didn't think I was getting one today. But if looking aside that clump, right there, a big penny, and it is a George V. Can't actually see what year it is at the moment, but it's a George V penny.
In the mud here. Hope you can hear me. I don't know, 24, 26.
Eh?
A 24, 26.
26,
Lost it.
probably a penny. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
go with this.
Oh, look at that way. It's a loonless. He's got it. One penny.
That's a quick way of doing it. And so you keep bending over.
Yeah. I was going the wrong
Hang on, put
way.
your hand upside down.
Yeah. I got it. I was going the wrong blinking clod, it didn't help.
No, see, that's the way I do it. It says keep bending over.
Yeah.
That's the whole point of having a long handled scoop.
Yeah.
Right, my next coin is another Georgia V penny. And I can't actually, oh hang on, 1926 or 1928, something like that. George V penny.
It's another fishing weight. Got a hook on it this time. Different design. Right, got the right clod this time. I can see it, I think. Oh, 1p. I do believe. Oh, excuse the camera work. Good, yeah. 1p? No. Oh no. It's a dreaded 2p, I was right.
Right, we've just come through under the pier. We're heading back to Ocean Beach now. We're going direct as a crow flies straight across the foreshore here. I've literally got the pier about 50 feet behind me. We're now on the east side. And I've just had my next one. It's a penny, Georgia 6th. And the date is 1947. Right, I just got a signal here and I could just see the edge of it right there. Oh, it's only a modern day penny, I think. Yeah, just a modern day penny. Okay, my next coin is a Georgia 6th penny. And we're kind of that far away from the pier now. And we've been digging holes steadily all the way back. The only thing is, there is so much anti-aircraft shrapnel around here, it's a nightmare, because it gives the same signals as these. But anyway, George VI penny.
Oh, George V came out of that hole. See what it is. 1916. Not bad condition either. Good. Another one over here. Let's just make the noise. Sea's coming in at a rate. Could be underwater in a minute. Jig on it. What's putting is a bit of shrapnel. In there somewhere. He's got it, first time. Makes a change. Oh, and it's a lump of cack.
Right, next coin is another George V penny.
I just had one of those.
That's all I keep getting at the moment. This one's 1931. Another George V penny. Well, my next coin, it looks like it's a George V. It's hard to tell because it is so worn, it is so thin. But I think it's a George V halfpenny. I'll give it a go at cleaning up when I get home, but there's no guarantee. But we're that far away from the pier now. We're actually getting chased in by the tide as well now. So that's how long we've been out today. So we're more or less done. But I think that is a George V halfpenny. But don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. Bloody hell, this is coming in very, very, very quickly today. Look at the speed of this tide. Jeez, it's coming in quick, isn't it? I don't think I've ever seen it come in this quick before. Right, we're more or less there now. We're right opposite Ocean Beach. We're going to get in a bit lively. Right, I'm back at home now. That was an epic session. We started up, we met up at Ocean Beach this morning at 5:30. And I've literally, well, we got back to our cars at 5 to 12, which is a long one for us because we normally meet up down there at 5 and we're done by 9. So but due to car parking, but where we parked today there was no restrictions, so we thought we'd go all the way along the beaches, up the pier, all the way back along by the foreshore to the Ocean Beach and then straight back into Ocean Beach. And it took a long time because it's actually quite a long walk. It's over a mile in each direction, and then it's like 3/4 of a mile out the pier, and then we walk back 3/4 of a mile out, gradually working our way in closer to shore. When we got there, the tide was actually on the beach, and by the time we packed up, the tide was chasing us back in. So we'd been there an awful long time today, and we had quite a good session, really, better than I thought we were going to have. We started off on the dry, obviously walked all the way up to the pier on the dry sand, had a few nuggets and other bits and bobs. And then once we got out to the pier and started coming back in, we was getting all the pre-decimals. So it's exactly what we thought we were going to get. We got them in a bigger quantity than we thought we'd get. So anyway, we got no immediate plans to go out in the near future. But obviously when we do, you'll know because a video will be uploaded to YouTube. So until then, bye-bye for now.